Welcome again to my channel, a home where we share tips, recipes and production knowledge. Today I'll be showing you how I transform this cube soap into the shape you're seeing here. But before that, please take your time, stay tuned and watch the video to the end to learn more, okay? Okay guys, we keep learning together, and the more I get my wisdom from sleep, I wake up and I share with you guys, okay? Now stay tuned for the proper video. Please make sure you watch to the end so that you can get other ways of going about this. Watch this video to the end. There are tips you need to take note of. God bless you all. Okay guys, we need to do two things here. That's transforming our soap from this normal shape here to this shape. How do you guys see it? From this to this. Which one do you like? Well, whichever one. Both of them are okay. This gives us the normal square shape, this gives us that another look anyway. Well, this is what I do. I bring my shaper. When you buy our cutter, you will get this, okay? When you buy our set of cutter, you will get this. All I do is just use the 4 edges. And you see the 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4 to have this, okay? So this is the one we do. This is the second one. This is it. And that will give us off cut our next soap, okay? Now we take it from this shape now, from this shape to this shape. So which of this do you prefer, guys? For me, I think I'm okay with this because that gives me a very smooth edge of soap, okay? So this is all. There is no magic to soap making. All this material I'm using come with our soap cutter, okay? Some people order without it, but our full set of cutter come with it. You can see that clean edge. This one is the down part of my mold, so when I'm not ready to do anything about it, but I'll just grate it small with my knife or scraper to take it out, okay? So this is handmade soap, not mechanized soap. You can see that. There is another one. So we'll just trim. It's that simple. I see. I'm just giving my soap another shape. Okay, let's practice another shape on one of it. Do not go, because I'm going to show you something else. I'm looking for it so that will be batched, okay? This is another shape that you can get from your shaper again, which is trimming all the edges. You can decide to trim all the edges to get this box soap. Can you see? I've not trimmed the rest. You can trim all the edges. You can trim all the edges to get this shape, okay? When you trim all the edges, you get this shape. When you trim the 4 edges, you get this shape. This one too is nice, very okay. It gives you that box look, like box. So when you buy our cutter, you get this, okay? You get this. You can cut this type of soap with our cutter. Our multi-purpose cutter will do wonders. Look at it. Look at what we got. You see, even with our mini cutter, you can still cut this size, okay? With our mini cutter set with stamp and 2 mode, which is 80,000, you will get this, okay? It comes with hammer, stamp, groover, shaper and scraper, okay? With 3 yes, the streamer is also the shaper with 2 mode. You can 2 big mode, okay? You cut this soap. Then you can get another package of 60,000 naira package, but that one comes with 1 mode, okay? 1 mode, stamp, soap cutter, shaper and groover. That's all you get. No hammer, no scraper, no extra mode, okay? So this is it. The package is 60,000, but the package with 2 mode, stamp, hammer, shaper, groover, trimmer and scraper is 80,000 naira. Can you see this now? This is wonderful and lovely. And if you notice something, these soaps came out clean, perfect. Well, this is my recipe and my formulation, okay? Like I said, depends on your production that will tell you the outcome of your soap. You can see these 3 shapes that we got, okay? I'm going to add this one now as soap as this thing. We'll dust it out, okay? So these are the 3 size of soap we have, okay? like it because it came as box, right? She said she liked this one. That's my baby girl. Okay, this is the first shape we cut. All right, this is the second shape that we did. This is the second shape, and this is the normal shape from cutter. Okay, before we transform it, this is the normal shape from our cutter. So which of these three do you think is best? I love this too. I love this. It gave me that boss look. I love it so much. I love it. So do not mind this here. Good. All right, this is what our cutter will give you. Okay, this is what our cutter will give you. Multi-purpose cutter is very much available. You can get the complete set with 4 molds, shaper, groove, stamp, hammer, and scraper. Okay, the total package, it comes with 2 stamp. Total package, it comes in different packaging. Okay, it comes with leg, without leg. It comes with different packaging. So you decide which one you want, and then you will have it from us. Now you see, I love the soaps. I love them so much. I love what I'm getting. This is my, if you are training with me, of course you get this. If I'm the one training you, you will get this smooth and clean soap from me. Can you see that? Can you see? So, hi guys, see you. Bye bye.
And more household products with these own tutorials.